Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2000 Suzuki Grand Vitara headlight assembly. Got free four friction fit black pins up here. Friction fit. Just gonna pull it out right here and right there. It's probably the same for the passenger side. 10mm bolt here. Here's little pins. Just pulled them up by hand, and I got in here actually with a little hook, pulled it out. So we should be able to get this out here pretty quick.
With the hammer.
Probably don't want to use a hammer. Probably a 10mm bolt down there, right there. 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt over there as well. And we'll get the headlight out because the bulb's bad here. For the turn signal switch. Nice. Things just turn and twist out. Bulb's already out. The water's getting in there, so shorted the bulb out probably. Little push connector right here. And then the headlight right here just pulls off. 3-prong connector probably. So of course you can replace your headlights if they get water in them. There's a little bit of water in there. We're just going to drill a little hole in the bottom. Hopefully the water will just run out the bottom then. We'll drill a little hole in the bottom here so water can get out of there. So that is it. 10mm screw here. 10mm screw here. 10mm screw here. And it comes out nice and easy. That fits right in the hole there. Same with that there. There's a hole there in the darkness. And to install it, just reverse procedure. Maybe there's a guide pin here on the back. Ooh, wow, get some water out of there. Yep, one friction guide pin right here. And that's basically going to go right in here. Make sure everything's lined up. That would be replacing your headlight and your bulbs. Just pull this rubber piece off. Ooh. Trust me. It's actually supposed to fit up in there, everything right there. I think it's been bent so it doesn't, but that's the way it's supposed to work. Ooh. Just like that, we'll probably have to bend this back into place to make it work.